Did you know that one simple vitamin can keep your legs strong and steady, even at 94 years old? As we age, one of the biggest challenges we face is losing muscle strength, especially in our legs. This makes everyday activities like walking, standing up, or climbing stairs much harder. Here's the shocking truth. Studies show that 1 in 4 adults over 65 experiences a fall each year. Falls are also the #1 cause of serious injuries in seniors. How do you know if you need more vitamin D? Watch out for these signs. Muscle weakness. If your legs feel shaky or weak, especially when standing or walking, you might be low on vitamin D. Balance issues. Poor balance makes you more likely to fall. Bone pain, aches in your legs, joints, or lower back could mean your bones aren't absorbing calcium properly. Slow healing wounds. If cuts or bruises take longer to heal, your body might be low on vitamin D. Leg cramps and spasms, especially at night. Vitamin D helps muscles relax, and without it, cramps can become common. If you have any of these symptoms, get your vitamin D levels checked. A simple blood test can confirm if you need more. Get more sunlight. Your body naturally makes vitamin D when your skin is exposed to the sun, but as we age, our skin becomes less efficient at producing it, which increases the risk of deficiency. Here's what to do. Spend 20 to 30 minutes in the sun at least 3 to 4 times a week. Best time? Between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. when the sun's rays are strongest. If you live in cloudy areas or have long winters, a vitamin D lamp can help. Eat vitamin D-rich foods. Food alone won't give you all the vitamin D you need, but it helps. Try eating fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna. A small serving of salmon covers most of your daily vitamin D needs. Egg yolks. One yolk has about 40 IU of vitamin D. Every bit helps. Fortified dairy products, milk, yogurt, and cheese often have added vitamin D mushrooms, the only plant-based source of vitamin D. Take a vitamin D supplement. For most seniors, supplements are the best way to maintain healthy vitamin D levels. How much do you need? Ages 50 to 7,600 IU per day. Ages 70 and older, 800 to 2,000 IU per day. Best option? Vitamin D3, cholecalciferol, because it absorbs better than vitamin D2. Pair vitamin D with magnesium. Did you know? Magnesium helps your body use vitamin D properly. Without enough magnesium, your body can't absorb vitamin D, even if you get plenty of sun or take supplements. Best sources of magnesium: leafy greens, spinach, kale, nuts and seeds, almonds, pumpkin seeds, whole grains, brown rice, oats. Pairing magnesium with vitamin D helps improve muscle strength, bone health, and overall mobility. If you're low on vitamin D and start taking more, here's what to expect. After 2 weeks, fewer muscle cramps, more energy. After 1 month, stronger legs, better balance. After 3 months, improved bone density, lower fall risk. Studies show that seniors who take vitamin D for 3 to 6 months experience 31% fewer falls, 35% stronger muscles, 40% lower risk of fractures. The key? Consistency. Take vitamin D regularly to stay strong and independent. Want to stay mobile and independent? Make vitamin D a priority. Spend 20 to 30 minutes in the sun several times a week. Eat vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, eggs, and dairy. Take a high-quality vitamin D3 supplement, 800 to 2,000 IU daily. Pair it with magnesium for better absorption. Get your vitamin D levels checked regularly. Are you getting enough vitamin D? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.